You will love the features of this 2023 Acura MDX. Best-selling third-row luxury SUV of all time. Spaciousness, does-it-all vehicle. Designed to fit your lifestyle with style. Designed to surpass expectations. Superior handling. Powerful, high performance. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with. Panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, navigation system, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, keyless start, cooled front seat. Don't miss the chance to experience the luxury and performance of the MDX. Call us today to set up a test drive.